Hello everyone, welcome to our video on investing in mutual fund. My name is Melody De Jumampo, and today we're going to explore what mutual funds are, how they work, and why they might be a great investment option for you. First, let's define what a mutual fund is. A mutual fund is an investment vehicle that pools money from a multiple investor to purchase a diversified portfolio of stock, bonds, or other securities. This means that instead of investing in individual stock or bonds, you can invest in a collection of them, which helps spread out your risk. These slides define a mutual fund as an investment vehicle that pools money from a multiple investor to create a diversified portfolio of stock, bonds, or other securities. The key takeaway is that it allows for diversification, reducing individual investment risk. Now, how do mutual funds work? When you invest a mutual fund, you buy share of the fund. The money you invest is combined with money from the other investor, and a professional fund manager makes decision on how to invest that money. The goal is to generate returns for the investor. The value of your investment will rise or fall based on the performance of underlying asset in the fund. This slide explains the mechanics of mutual fund investing. When you invest, your money combined with other, and a professional fund manager invests it according to a strategy. The fund's value fluctuates based on the performance of its underlying asset, directly impact investor return. There are several types of mutual funds including: the first types of mutual fund is equity. Equity fund invests primarily in stock, which represent ownership in publicly traded companies. These funds aim to generate capital appreciation through stock price growth and dividends. Equity funds: these funds primarily invest in stock of public traded companies. Their goal is capital appreciation and dividends. The second is bonds. Bonds invest in debt securities such as government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds. These funds aim to generate income through interest payments and potentially capital appreciation. These funds invest in debt securities like government, corporate, and municipal bonds. They aim to generate income through interest payment and potential capital appreciation. The third is balance funds. Balance fund invest in a mix of stock and bonds, aiming to provide both growth potential and income. These funds typically have a fixed ratio of stock to bonds, often around 60% stock and 40% bonds. These funds diversify by investing in a mix of stock and bonds, aiming to balance growth potential with income. A typically split might be 60% stock and 40% bonds. The fourth is index fund. Index fund track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100. They are passively managed, meaning they don't actively buy and sell security to try to beat the market. These funds passively track a specific market index like the S&P 500 or Nasdaq 100. They don't actively try to beat the market by picking individual stock but aim to monitor the index performance. Now, let's talk about the benefits of investing in mutual funds. First, diversification. Spread risk by investing in multiple securities. Investing in multiple security spread risk, reducing the impact of any single poor performing investment. The second one is professional management. Experts manage the fund, saving you time and research. Experts fund manager handle the investment decision, saving investor time and research. Third is accessibility. Low minimum investment required, accessible for small investor. Mutual funds often have a low minimum investment requirements, making them accessible to a wider range of investors. Fourth is liquidity. Can be easily bought or sold on any business day. Mutual fund share can be easily bought or sold on any business day, offering flexibility to investor. Risk of mutual fund. 1. Market risk. The value of investment can go up or down depending on market condition. Number 2. Management risk. Performance depending on the fund manager decision. And the last piece, management fees and other charges can be impact returns. How to invest in mutual fund. Step 1. Open an account with an investment platform. Step 2. Choose the type of mutual fund based on your risk profile and investment goal. Step 3. Decide how much you want to invest and start purchasing shares in the fund. Step 4. Monitor performance and adjust your investment as needed. Cost of investing in mutual fund. Expenses ratio. Annual management fee, typically 0.1% to 2%. Sales load fees. Fees when you buy or sell share, front-end or back-end loads. Other fees. Redemption fees, exchange fees.